You ready, B?
I have your coffee in your hand. I just gotta sit it back there. Right.
Yeah.
Don't do that. What? I don't know why
Since
you're
what are we trying to be professional now? I like that top. Is that Pop Pilates? Pop Flex? All right. For this tutorial, it's New Freezer by Rich the Kid and Kendrick Lamar. So,
not doing this today.
first move, it's very simple. Your feet are together. Your hands are like this. They do windmill, windmill, shoulder. It's like you're shutting the freezer door. Not really, but okay. So your hands are here. Then you step out right foot and you shiver, 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 because you're in a freezer. Then you step in. Roll, roll, shoulder, step out, shiver, shiver, shiver. In, shiver, shiver, shiver. One more time, in, shoulder, step out, shiver, shiver, shiver. This time your hands are gonna do the same roll, 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 but you're not going to hit your shoulders. You're gonna go roll, roll, clap. And you're gonna step out, in, and your hands are just like, you're cold, so you're warming your hands up. And you do it however you want, so just feel it, however you wanna feel it. Roll, roll, in, and out, out. 2 more times, and if you wanna march too when you're doing it, you can, if you're really feeling this move. Ha, hoo, hoo, very simple. Next move is the verse, which means we're gonna step out the freezer. So you're just gonna whoosh, whoosh, and you can kinda shove your head forward like a chicken. Hey. And then this goes on for a long time. I'm not sure how long it goes on, so you'll have to figure that out yourself. Then after this, you're gonna step out with your right foot, and you're gonna grab your pearl necklace with your left hand, and you're just gonna go out, in. To get to the other side, you go right, left, and when you go right, left, you switch your hands, and you just step right into that pull out, and you just pull out your diamond necklace. So let's try that move one more time. From the step out, we'll do 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, diamonds, and pull, in, out, in, right, left. Hey, 2 more times, left, right. Woo! Play with your necklace, right, left. Hey. Whoo, ha. Then you're gonna go right back to the freezer part. So we're gonna do that and speed it up in hyperspeed. And this next part. Oh, you can come through, it's okay, it's just a tutorial. Have a great day. So then here's where Kendrick comes in. So the last move we do is step out, in. This hand is gonna push, and you're gonna point like you're like, hey, looking at your best friend, and you point.
Yeah, I'm confused. We never grabbed our pearls.
Oh, that was only the first verse.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, you point, and that's super slow. You point 1 more set, so 6 times total. It's very weird. 6 times, and you just speed it up, and you keep them out this time instead of taking it down. And again, you do this 8-ish times, or maybe 6. After the last 8, which I think is on the 16th time, you're going to just drop your arms, and you're just gonna rock, slow, rock, slow. Here we go, and, oh, go through, it's okay. Just a tutorial. So, rock, 2, 3, wait. Oh, yeah.
Are you sure?
No, absolutely, yeah.
Middle of a take or no?
Yeah, but this is a tutorial. It's very unprofessional. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is your own groove. 7, 8. You go. Maybe I should do this with the music to make sure.
I don't know what song this is.
Fantastic. So what we just deduced is that this is 8 times. So after the 8th time, you're gonna keep going. Your feet do the same thing. It's just your arms are gonna practice the next part slowly. So that's just cross, out, throw it away. And cross, out, throw it away. These are not set arms. So you are just hitting 3 poses, and you're gonna do that 8 times, I'm gonna say. And then after that, it's just gonna speed up. So let's do it from the push. Here we go and push, push, push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4. Speed this up and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4. Throw it down and slow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and arms. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, speed it up. Hit, hit, throw. Hit, hit, throw. What? Hit, hit, throw. Hit, hit, throw. And then this goes until it stops. So
That's it?
you'll figure out when that is, and then it's gonna go back into the da-da-da-da-da. And then that's it. Wow. Yeah, this was a simple one. So let's go through all those moving parts slowly, without the music, obviously, for monetization purposes. So, oh, no, wait. At the very end, after this, we do this set, and then we do the hand clap, and we go out, in. We're gonna play freeze tag at the very end. So you just hold a pose, and you hold it for 1, 4. Counting slow, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull, 1, 2. And it just freeze tag. So I don't need to explain that. You went to elementary school, so. Is that how you play freeze tag, Bria?
I thought that you like ran.
Is that how you, from the top. Here we go and roll it in, take it, shiver, shiver, shiver. It is so loud in the city, city, city. Take it in and shoulder. 1 more time and cross, cross, in. Now you're gonna clap your hands and in, clap. Take it out, out. In, clap. Take it out, out. It's like you got some hot, what's it called? What are those things?
Hot hands?
The hot hands? Yeah, I'm gonna say that in the actual video. And a step. You're just pushing through and step together, grab your necklace. Ha. Right, left, here we right. Left, go. Other side, left, right. In. Last time, right, left. In. Then you're gonna chorus and in, shoulder. Take it to the side and in, shoulder, shiver, to the left, in. Ha. Ratata, in. Now, hot hands, here we go. Warm your up. Take it to the side. Warm it up. Last set and ha, ha. Take it here and the next part you look at your friend. Hey, buddy, what's going on? Nothing much, speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. Slow it down, rock side to side. Rock. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and some arms. Here, throw it away, still rocking out. It's your own groove, speed it up and rock. Oh. Where your friends at? In and here. Take it out, in, hit. And you know that transition that we just did, you can like jump in, it really doesn't matter. And then you're gonna hot hands last time, in and clap. In and clap. Whew. Last set and ba, ba, ba. Freeze tag pose however you want. Hold it here and switch and catch me if you can. Ha. Bria! And then you just kind of do that until it fades out. So that's the tutorial. I'm very, very certain that the counts and the timing was completely wrong, but the moves were correct. Link below for the real video with the music, you can do that. Also, there's an end screen on the end where you can click for the actual video. Please subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these tutorials and find them helpful at all. Turn on your post notifications, follow all of us on our own social channels, and anything else that I'm forgetting to promote.
Yeah, promote is the right word. Promotion.
Thumbs up if you like my spray tan.